Hello everyone, my name is Taskia and my study number is 44230673.
Hi, and I'm Corina with study number 44231010.
In this video, we will present our English assessment.
Which we've prepared together and we hope you enjoy it. Let's get started!
Anna, finally we got to talk tonight.
Hi Kia, seriously, I've been waiting for this moment. I've been wanting a long chat like this.
Yeah, I feel like we really need this kind of talk. Lately everything's been so overwhelming, right?
Totally classes, assessment, and now we've started thinking about the future. It's stressing me out.
By the way, have you realized? Suddenly we are already in our 4th semester.
Crazy, right? Time is flying. I still feel like I was just adjusting, and now we're already being pushed to think about internship, thesis, and job after graduation.
Yeah, and more people keep asking what's next after this, when sometimes even we don't have an answer.
Yeah, it's a simple question, but the answer is super complicated. It's not just about where to work, it's like lifestyle, comfort zone, dreams, even who we want to be in the future.
Exactly, and don't you think the more we think about career, the more we realize how wide the working world actually is, but at the same time, it makes us more confused about where to even start.
Totally. This past few weeks, I've been trying to explore job stuff, but the more I dig, the more I realize how much I don't know. So many roles, different kinds of companies, and each place has its own culture you can really understand just from the job description.
I've been scrolling through LinkedIn too. Some people work at startups, others at big corporations, some even freelance. Sometimes I wonder what's the right path for me.
As for me, so far, what interests me the most is still Unilever. From what I've seen, the way they brand their products is super strong and well structured.
Yeah, Unilever definitely has solid branding. But which part are you aiming for?
Marketing PR. I really love the process of crafting message through campaigns and then spreading them through media and social. It's not just about selling product, but about delivering meaning, making communication that's relevant and sticks with people.
And you really have a talent for communication, nah. You can take something ordinary and make it seem important through real words. I really believe you're great fit for that.
Thanks, Kia. But the more I think about it, the more I realize how insanely competitive it is to get into a company like Unilever. Sometimes I wonder, have I done enough so far?
You are not the only one thinking that. I feel the same. I want to work at Paragon, but the more I look into it, the more I realize that getting in won't be easy either.
But You've always had a strong interest in cosmetic from the start. You understand the technical side, you know the trends. That's a hook plus. Especially since you really get skincare ingredients and can relate to what the market needs right now.
Yeah, I'm super passionate about it. But I'm scared too, nah. Scared that once I get in, it might not meet my expectation or I won't even get the chance at all.
That fear is valid, but I think what matters is that we have a clear dreams. Wherever we archive it or not, that's about the process and timing. What matters now is that you know what you want.
I agree, but don't you think so many people around us already have work experience, join training, got all these certificates? Sometimes I compare myself and just feel so behind.
Yeah, sometimes I open Instagram or LinkedIn and see our friends already interning at cool companies, doing projects, joining conference, while I still feel stuck doing the same old college tasks.
And that part even more pressure on us, even though we don't know their full story. But yeah, we are human, we are camper. I even get insomnia sometimes thinking about the future.
It's gotten that bad.
Yeah, sometimes at 2 p.m. I'm still scrolling for info about MC programs or reading people's stories working at my dream company. But then it just makes me overthink even more.
I do that too. Sometimes I plan to study something, but end up going in circle on YouTube, watching totally unrelated video.
Yeah, like opening the laptop to study, but ending up watching cooking content.
Or Korean drama. But I think it's not because we're lazy. It's more like we haven't found the right structure yet. We're still figuring out our rhythm.
And that's okay actually. We are still in the process of putting things together. Doesn't mean we are not serious. It's just not the right time yet.
Agree. Sometimes what we need isn't to be ready quickly, but to be ready gradually. We are still learning to understand ourselves.
And we can't force ourselves to have all the answer right now. Some people just need more time to find their path.
Exactly. Some people know what they want from the start. Others only discover their passion once they are already working.
I once read that people nowadays can switch career 3 to 5 times in their lives. So we don't have to get it right from the beginning.
That's so true. So let's not to be too afraid to make mistake. What's important is we keeping trying.
But nah, do you have any worries other than job?
Honestly, I also worry about adapting. What if the work environment turns out toxic? Or if the job is too demanding and I have no time for myself?
Yeah, I worry about that too, especially about work-life balance. I want to work, but not the point where I lose my personal life.
And I still want to have time for small things like watching movie, cooking, or talking like this.
Exactly, because life isn't just about work. It's also about living a balanced life.
But yeah, We still don't know what the work world is really like. So far, we've only heard stories from the others.
Yeah, so while we are gathering info, we also prepare ourselves mentally.
One thing I believe is that having a support system is super important. Like right now, just talking to you like this already helps a lot.
Tina, we remind each other, calm each other down. I really need talks like this to stay sane.
And sometimes by talking to others, we actually find the answer we're looking for ourselves.
Yeah, even though we haven't started anything concrete yet, this conversation alone feels like one step towards clarity.
Exactly. Maybe it's not yet time to build a CV or apply to class, but it's time to slowly understand ourselves and the world we're about to step into.
Yeah, not everything has to start right away. There's a growth process too, unseen but super important.
And we're already on that path.
Amin. Okay, Nak. This chat has been really long, but I feel good. More at ease now.
Sam Ki, thanks for tonight. Conversation like this is really mean a lot.
Thank you too. We can think about everything again tomorrow, but tonight enough to let me sleep more peacefully.
Good night, Kia. I hope our dreams slowly become reality.
Amin. Bye, Nak.
Bye, Kia.
Yeah.